Modern housing often feels the same everywhere, losing its connection to local history, culture, and environment. But what if design could embrace these elements, creating a truly unique and sustainable home? This is the story of Monsoon House, a private residence in Trat, Thailand, designed by Ayutt and Associates, AAD. Nestled amidst a rubber plantation on the coastline, it stands tall against the powerful monsoon winds. AAD prioritized minimizing the impact of the monsoon on the house and landscape. They studied weathering protection, coastal erosion, and privacy concerns. The design itself reflects this focus, with wind loads and storm protection informing the horizontal layout. Monsoon House also embodies the spirit of tropical modern architecture. It uses modern materials like aluminum cladding alongside traditional elements like wood and stone. Here, the house becomes a statement of harmony between man and nature. The Gull Route Promenade ensures easy access to each family unit within the house. Yet, the overall layout allows for the separation of these units or their integration into a single space, catering to the needs of extended families seeking both privacy and togetherness. The aluminum cladding plays a vital role in the master bedroom's passive cooling. It acts as insulation during winter and keeps the room cool in summer, reducing the need for air conditioning. Additionally, these adjustable panels transform the connection between the interior and exterior spaces. They can be opened for light and connection, or closed for privacy and sound control. The heart of Monsoon House is the swimming pool, designed with a universal layout suitable for all ages. It fosters a sense of connection and reflects the lifestyle of extended Thai families. The surrounding sun terrace becomes a hub for daytime activities, while the changing shadows cast by the steps speak of the fading day. Beyond the house itself, AAD aimed to create a new eco-living system. The landscape isn't just a garden, but a self-sustainable park with fruit trees, rubber plantations, a fish pond, and an area for free-ranging animals. Existing trees were preserved, becoming integral parts of the ecosystem. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. Monsoon House embodies a higher order of sustainable modern architecture. It respects the land and its limitations, local beliefs, budget constraints, and the voices of the family, both present and future. This is a testament to design that elevates the quality of life while honoring the unique character of its place.